dark, huge warehouses filled with lots of machines, kind of dirty. Is that what you think of when you think of manufacturing? Maybe you're considering robotics, arms flying everywhere, maybe less people. Either way, innovation in this space is the key to our future, and it's worthy of a discussion. Humankind has been innovating, creating, inventing for millennia. We found ways to take items and transfer them from their original use into something completely different over and over again. And over the last 200 years, we've just been transforming so rapidly, creating new techniques and new capabilities. Innovation is key. And for a couple of hundred years, we have been innovating rapidly. Today, we sit in the digital age. AI, machine learning, AR, VR, AM, yes, the entire alphabet soup is coming into our world, and we don't know how to use it quite effectively. But we know that manufacturing is how we scale our products. Even our earliest inventors of this country recognized that manufacturing would help them. Edison couldn't really get his light bulb off the ground until Latimer gave him the filament that was easily manufacturable. Now the light bulb is in everything. You can find it in your cars, in your automobiles, all the appliances in your homes and businesses, and you don't even have to touch it for the light to shine on whatever it is that you're looking for. Sadly, the United States has lost its ability to actually build these things. Over the last 4 to 5 decades, we have offshored, and now we need to reshore our capabilities. There are some challenges that come with this. A skilled workforce that is ready to take on those challenges, policies, environmental concerns, but the United States is filled with bright minds, people who know how to do that. We have an opportunity to change the narrative on this. What do? We take information. Sensors can help us in so many different ways through IoT. We can take the data and transform it. It will help us make informed decisions so that we know where to put those facilities. Automation is not here to replace us. It's here to augment us, to free our minds of the laborious work and dangerous activities and allow us to be much more creative as humans. Additive manufacturing, whether it's 3D printed electronics or metals, they are here to transform us. And it can take us into another place. We can't keep creating things, but we can use nature as our inspiration and use the environment around us. Whether you're a business person, a tradesman, an engineer, we need to come together and have all of these forces working as one to sustain our Earth. The supply chain problem can only go away if we're working collaboratively. We can create new materials out of what we have existing on our Earth or even on another planet. But that skilled workforce I was talking about starts at K through 12. We have to teach our children that there are opportunities in every field and that is the way of the future. We have to also get them into the workforce and continue their growth through professional societies like SME, Society of Manufacturing Engineers. Continuing to evolve our society starts with things that are physical. Our policies, our funding, they all have to come together. And so my plea for you is to make sure that you're advocating, whether it's your children, your government officials, the neighbor down the street. All of us use physical objects, whether it's this microphone, that table. They don't come from nowhere. They come from actual fabricators, creators. So think about all of the things that you like, that you have, you hold, you use. Make sure that we still have the opportunity to do that in this country. Be bold, stay curious, and let's manufacture the future.